Hi everyone, just want to show you real quick how to sort your spreadsheet into alphabetical order for your BYOD. So first thing you need to do is just click on column B, or the column that your words are in. They should be B. And then the next thing you'll do, you want to make sure that it's all highlighted. So click up at the top there where it says B, then go to the Data tab. And when you click on that, you'll see a couple of options for sorting. One is by sheet, or one is sorting the whole sheet, and one is sorting the range. If you click sort the range, it's only going to sort that column, so don't click those. But you'll go ahead and click sort sheet by column B, A to Z. And when you click that, everything will be moved around, including its definitions and all of the information with it, into alphabetical order. So hopefully that will help you out when building your dictionary.